In this short video, I want to introduce our instructional team. So my name is Professor Barry Grant, or Dr. Barry, or simply just Barry. I am faculty in the section of molecular biology in the Division of Biological Sciences here at UCSD. I've been on the faculty here since July 2018, and before that I was a Professor of Computational Medicine and Bioinformatics at the University of Michigan in Ann Arbor. I have an active and well-funded research program in bioinformatics and computational biology. I have over 50 senior author publications in the bioinformatics and computational biology field. I've authored software that's used by thousands of researchers and indeed students around the world and cited many hundreds of times in the bioinformatics community. And I also like tea more than coffee and dogs more than cats, and we can't all be perfect, but hey, that's me. And I want to also introduce you to our instructional team. We have an awesome team that includes Alina, Ivy, and Critton here, and you'll get to meet them, and they'll be a lot more interactive, of course, than they are here in these photos on our class forum on Piazza. And I actually want you to start using Piazza to come and meet our team, to meet Alina and Ivy and Critton, and for us to meet you. And I want you to introduce yourself, please. I want you to tell me your preferred name. Mine's Barry, place I identify with most. Of course, you can tell I don't have any accent at all, but it might surprise you to know that actually I do have a bad accent. You can tell from these videos, right? But I'm from Ireland. That's where I was born and raised and educated. And I'd like to know about you. Where do you identify with? And tell me what your preferred name is. What do you want to be called during this class, particularly if that's different than what is on the official university transcripts? We'd like to know. And then tell us what your major of study or research is, or if you are working in a lab yet, or if you have had any research experience. We'd love to find out about that and make this class most relevant for you. And then also, if you're up for it, post something funny or something amusing or something that you've been enjoying over the last while, a favorite joke. Most of my favorite jokes I can't tell here. In fact, any of my favorite jokes I couldn't tell here because I would get censored. The video would probably get taken down. So let me tell you something maybe a little bit more related to our subject matter that we'll be studying together. What's a pirate's favorite programming language? Well, you'd think it's the C, but really it's R. And okay, that's a bad joke, but R is a language that we're going to learn together in the coming weeks. So let me try another one, maybe one of my kids' ones. That'll be safe. Why does a seagull not fly over the bay? Because otherwise it would be a bagel, of course. Okay, those are pretty bad. I'm sure you can do better, or you can post something funny. Just have a go. The purpose here is for you to get familiar with Piazza. You can find the link on our class website. If you're uncertain, you can always use the quick link on our toolbar or nav bar down there on the side of our website. That'll take you to Piazza. I want to make sure everyone can use it to ask questions when we really need to. So this is a low stakes way to get you using it right off the bat. And with that, I'm going to finish this short video and remind you that there's a couple of things I've asked for you for week 0. That's fill in that pre-course survey. And then, as I discussed in the last video, there's some software setup to do and get familiar with our course website. Also discussed in that last video. And you can find that all online on our course website, thegrantlab.org BIM 143. That's thegrantlab.org BIMM 143. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in week 1 when the fun starts. Thanks.